11pcs pots and pans. Set Non-Stick, the ultimate solution for a clutter-free kitchen and versatile cooking experience. This cream white cookware set features detachable handles, making it ideal for compact storage. By removing the handles, you can save up to 70% more space in your cupboards. Whether you live in a small apartment, an RV, or simply want to maximize your kitchen space, this set is perfect for you. Cleaning up after cooking can be a hassle, but not with the CAROTE cookware set. Thanks to the non-stick granite coating, this set ensures a fuss-free cleaning experience. You can use it for cooking and serving, which means only one round of cleaning is needed. Say goodbye to scrubbing and enjoy more time savoring your meals. The non-stick surface requires zero elbow grease, making your post-meal routine a breeze. The CAROTE cookware set offers unparalleled versatility with its removable handle design. Transition effortlessly from all kinds of stoves to the oven, grill, fridge, and even directly to the dining table. With just a click, you can switch between cooking methods, making meal preparation more efficient and enjoyable. This multitasking cookware set is designed to adapt to your cooking needs without compromising on performance. Quality is a cornerstone of the CAROTE brand. This set delivers balanced ultra non-stick performance, rapid and even heat transfer, and convenience-rich features. Each piece undergoes a stringent multi-inspection process to ensure you receive only the best. If any items arrive defective due to delivery, CAROTE offers a worry-free service with a full refund or replacement guarantee. Experience cooking like never before